Yo, what is up? Welcome back to the channel and to this video. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix failed converting video to Adobe Premiere Pro. So here I am actually have Adobe Premiere Pro, and then, for example, I have a few videos that if I actually drag it to the Premiere Pro 2017, it says that file format not plotted. So you can't actually drag the video to the application, and I'm gonna show you how to actually fix this kind of problem. So the first thing that you actually need to have is a hand brake. Now I'm just gonna say that these applications actually helps a lot. So you actually need to download this application. I'm gonna give a link download in the description if you want to. So the first thing that you need to do is that download this application and then open it. After you open it, you actually need to choose this kind of thing, and then after you choose that, choose the video that actually needs to be fixed. For example, I choose this video so that this video can be put to this application. Now after you open this video in this hand brake, you actually need to click web optimize, and then second you actually need to click a constant frame rate. This frame rate is whatever you like, comparing to your computer. I actually put it 30, and then after that you can browse, save as the new video that you want. This video will automatically can be put in the Adobe Premiere Pro, and then save. And then after you save your new video to your new file, you can click this green button, start encode, and then click it, and then it will automatically work in this down left here. Wait for it, not done yet. Your video is actually ready to be put to your Premiere Pro. For example, I put my new video named Cool. Yeah, so this is actually the video, and within the name I put it to this Adobe, and then this video is actually successful. It's actually fixed, and now I can edit my video. So yeah, I guess that's all you need to do. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if this video is actually give a benefit to you. And yeah, see you guys soon on the next video.